Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the Ice Hotel. Yes, it's totally made by ice, and I will try to show you how this room look like and how much it is cost per night and so on. So stay with me, and I would like to request you stay till end, so it will be great. So viewer, if you are not still my subscriber, I would like to tell you, just click the subscribe button, and if you are already my subscriber, just share or like thumbs up. So let's check out what it is inside. Yes, it's a lobby of this hotel. Nice water bubble. It's very beautiful. It's changing the color. Wow, nice water bubble. Nice hotel. It's like a border. Yes. Dear viewer, this is the entrance of the Ice Hotel. Today I will show you how you can stay, how much it is cost, and so on. So let's check out what's inside. So viewer, this is the entrance. Let's see. Let's check out. Nice door with fire and leather. And the entrance. Let's first check out, because it's the COVID, the lots of line. This is nice. So all are rice. It's kind of igloo house. You can see it. Wait viewer, we are coming into the room section. We'll show you soon. This room is kind of like rest area, so people will come here and take a rest and so on, and they are also taking photos and so on. After that we'll go to the east room, and I will show you how this east room looks like and how much it is cost and so on.
Déjà, t'as déjà glissé ça.
Pas bon, non? This is suite 2. This room cost around 399 Canadian dollar per night. So yes, this room is good. It's suite 2. I will try to show you all suites in this hotel. Yes viewer, this one also cost 399 Canadian dollar per plus tax. So this one is also good. Wait, there are more beautiful rooms is coming on. Actually, they made there is room for the different kind of people. Like some people, what are their interest? This room may be honeymoon suite. If someone likes hockey, then this room is for him. It's a sports room like. To be honest, dear viewer, this is my favorite room. It's so beautiful. January to till March. This 3 months, if you you can book or you can stay. After that, this hotel will be destroyed automatically. So this hotel located in Quebec City. So you can, if you want, you can try to visit. Dear viewer, that's all for today. I will come back soon with a new exciting video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe. Bye bye.